Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about the effects of untreated tick bites on dogs. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about the effects of untreated tick bites on dogs is www.aardora.com. See the page titled Dog Tick Bite Symptoms, Side Effects and Treatment by. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site en.wikipedia.org, especially the page Tick Paralysis, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see instresno.walmart.com. The web page taking the bite out of fleas and ticks, walmart.com. This is the link.